Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying both hardware and driver prerequisites. First, make sure the volume keys aren't physically stuck and the keyboard or laptop lid is fully connected. Then open Device Manager and focus on sound, video, and game controllers. This is where Windows links the keys to audio functions. Once done, right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver. If Windows offers a restart, accept it. This updates the software bridge that lets your volume buttons communicate with the OS. Next, you tackle background services, Windows settings, and hotkey mapping. Open Services. MSC and verify that Windows Audio and Audio Endpoint Builder are running and set to automatic. These manage sound and endpoint signals. Then go to Settings, System, Sound, and confirm the correct output device and the app volume mixer are not muted. Finally, examine keyboards in Device Manager, test hotkeys, and if they fail, uninstall and reinstall human interface device drivers so Windows. Finish by running the built-in Playing Audio Troubleshooter and applying fixes it suggests. This often resets mislinked controls. Make a restore point before doing major changes, and if problems persist, boot safe mode to isolate third-party interference. As a last software step, check for BIOS or firmware updates that restore HID behavior. If none of that works, use an external volume control app or the hardware knob temporarily. However, pursue firmware or keyboard replacement as the final remedy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.